Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be creating this. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. First, we have to import our footage into After Effects. You can download this project from the link in the description. The folder will include a 30 seconds snow overlay, rendered with alpha channel, which can be used very easy as you will see. Create a new composition and name it Realistic Snow. I'm using the full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 5 seconds long. Bring your footage into the new composition. Then, place above it, the snow overlay, and there you go. It's snowing like the dickens. But, we are here today to learn how to create realistic snow in After Effects from the scratch, so, follow my steps. Create a new solid, and name it, Snow. Go to Effects and Presets panel and search for Particular. As you already know, this is a paid plugin, but if you don't have it yet, you can go to the Red Giant website, and download the trial version of it. Let's adjust its settings. Change the number of particles to 400. Set the emitter type to box. Set emitter size to individual axes. Size X, 2250. Size Y, 0. Size Z, 1850. Click here, and move this anchor point above your footage. Change position subframe to 10 times smooth. Direction to bidirectional. Change velocity random and velocity distribution to 0. Then open the emission extras and set pre-run to 10, this way you will have snow from the first frame. Now, let's make some changes on particle. Set life to 100. Change the particle type to cloudlet. Set the size to 3.5. The opacity, 15. And change the color with the color of the snow from your footage. Great, now, let's open the physics. Set gravity to 50. Open air, and change air resistance to 0.2. Spin amplitude, 200. Wind Y and wind C, 50. Click on Turbulence field and set the effect position value to 50. Our snow effect looks great already. Don't forget that you can always play with these values to get a better result for your project. Let's give some depth of field to our snow project. Create a new camera. I'm using the 24mm preset. Click P to open the position settings. And change the Z value to -150. Now, go to Effects and Presets panel, and search for CC Force Motion Blur. Apply it to your snow layer. Then, change Motion Blur Samples to 20. And shutter angle to 300. Our snow effect is ready, let's see how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create realistic snow in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials on interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. See you soon.